Hi guys, just wanted to make another video today. I have just about 12 days until my trip to New Orleans and wanted to talk about packing. So when it comes to packing, I like to pack light, so I will be packing the minimums. For this trip, I will be packing it's about a 5-day trip, so this is going to sound like a lot for 5 days, but when you go to New Orleans, it's hot, it's humid, and there's always a chance of rain, especially at this time of year. So I'm going to be packing a minimum of 7 shirts, so 5 shirts for the 5 days that I'm there, plus a few extras. I don't pack as many shorts, so I'll probably only pack maybe 4 or 5 shorts and rotate through them, and I can always wash them again if I need to. And then I will pack at least 7 or 8 socks, and then I also will pack 8 or 9 underwear because you will sweat through them. That's also the reason for the shirts and for the socks, because the chance of rain and the chance of sweating through them is so great that you always need extras. On top of that, I will also be packing my night gear, and this is a party weekend with themed events and different dance events, and it is a gay weekend, so I will be packing specialty clothing such as leather gear, kilts, singlets, and when I say singlets, I actually mean wrestling singlets, not tank tops. But and it's a party weekend, so when I go out at night, I dress up. I dress in fetish gear, so I'll be wearing wrestling singlets, harnesses, leather gear, and I have to pack that. So for me, this is packing light for this trip. For some of you, you may want to pack jock straps, tiny shorts. You may want to pack thongs, whatever your choice of specialty gear is. But people get away with wearing a lot of different stuff at night. During the day, dress a little more conservatively. You can still be a little, for a lack of words, a little risque or slutty, fun, but you are still out in public and you are still out on the streets. So keep that in mind. Don't expose yourself and get in trouble and end up in a police station, in jail for the entire weekend. Also, don't pee on the streets, because that will put you in jail for the entire weekend and you won't get out until Tuesday. It is a holiday weekend, so there will not be any processing on Monday. You won't get out until Tuesday. When you drink responsibly. Make sure you drink water with it. Make sure you eat. Stay hydrated, stay fed. I'm not going to say don't partake in any extracurricular activities, because it's Decadence. People will do it. I'm not to judge. So if you do it responsibly. Please, please, please be with somebody that can sit with you and make sure you're okay. And when I say sit with you, I don't mean, sit down and do it, but watch you, make sure you're okay, not taken advantage of. When you carry money with you, at least carry it in your front pocket. Don't carry it in your back pocket, because pickpocketing does happen in New Orleans. Don't go down dark alleys by yourself, especially. but try to avoid them. There are well-lit areas in the French Quarters, and if you venture out of the French Quarters, try to go with groups, try to be safe, be conscious of your surroundings, and just be mindful of where you are. If you're not from New Orleans or you've never been to New Orleans, get acquainted with it, Google map it, plan out some of your stuff that you're doing. Don't focus too much on planning out your entire day. Just live in the moment and enjoy what you're doing, roam around, have fun. My first year, I did not plan anything really. I looked at Google Maps and kind of looked at where things were, kind of thought about what I wanted to experience and what I wanted to see. And then when I got there, most of it just flew out the window, and I just walked around and looked at things and saw the things that I wanted to see and enjoyed myself. And it was the most memorable, most fun trip that I think I've had, and that's why I've gone back now for the past 7 years. I think this is my 8th year that I'm going in a row. So just have fun, be safe, and enjoy yourself. All right, I'm going to go ahead and stop here. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments below. I'll be glad to answer you. Stay positive, stay happy, stay safe. Bye.